to my channel. I'm Carla, and in today's vlog, we are going to be going to the North Pole to meet Santa. I'm gonna be taking my kids so they can go ahead and tell them what they want for their presents this year for Christmas because they claim they've been very good. I don't think I can agree with them 100%, but they've been okay. So let me go ahead and introduce you guys to my family. This is my husband, Ricardo.
Hey guys, ¿cómo están?
This is my daughter, Camila.
Hi.
And my son, Noah.
Hi.
So you guys ready?
Yeah.
Vámonos.
They're ready, I'm ready, you guys are ready, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. So we've been driving for no more than an hour. I want to say maybe like half an hour, and we're already making our first stop at McDonald's because the kids got out of school and they were starving. You were what? Starving. And we haven't ate either, so we're gonna go ahead and grab something to eat here. My husband didn't want McDonald's. He brought a torta from home that he made. Okay, Camila, Noah, here. One Happy Meal, the other Happy Meal. And I mean, I like McDonald's, but I don't eat it that often. The kids eat it more than me, but when I do, I like their hot and spices. So that's what I got for me, a hot and spicy and some French fries, because I do love their French fries. Ready? Yeah? Listo?
Listo.
Listo? Okay, we're gonna get back on the road again. So, on the road again. Camila, Noah, you guys are not gonna eat?
I am. I'm not.
Since the kids are on their iPad, they don't want to do anything else except play on their iPads. Not even eat. I don't know if your guys do the same thing, but my kids, it's like, okay, here, do this and do that. And they're just like zoned out on their iPad all the time. Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. All right, guys, we're here. It's called the Verde Canyon Railroad, and look at, we changed into our elf gear. Camila, show them yours. Your elf PJs, mi amor, tu pijama. And Noah, he's over there. Look at him. He's like, I'm leaving. All right, guys, so like I said, we just got here. We're gonna walk around. We've never been here. We've gone to the Polar Express in Flagstaff, but not this one here in Clarkdale. So we're excited to see how this one's gonna be compared to the other one. Our train's gonna depart, I wanna say maybe within like the next hour, but they have stuff back here that we're gonna go check out right now. So I'll show you guys right now. That's the train we're gonna get on in a little bit. So this journey is called the Magical Christmas Journey. You guys can see it right there. And that's the eagle. So cool. Check that out.
Take a picture with it.
You want to take a picture with it? Okay, we'll go in a little bit. Look at this little village that they have here. It's so pretty. And Noah has his eagle wings. And Camila, you're a fairy. Look at it, so pretty. Check out these eagles that they have on. They're super cute. They let you borrow them while you are touring this little village that they have here. So we already took lots of pictures, right guys?
Yeah.
All right. check out her dress. It's so pretty and it has lights.
Lights everywhere.
Wow. Camila, you want a picture with her?
Yeah.
Noah, do you want a picture with her or just Camila? Both of you? Okay.
Yeah.
So we just walked out of the village. We took pictures with the little houses. We took pictures with the princess. Not this princess, but the Christmas princess, right? And not that princess over there. ¿Qué haces? Don't mind my husband. He's a little weird sometimes. But we are waiting to board. They said we can start boarding like 20 minutes before. So we have a little bit of time. I'm gonna go see what else they have here so you guys can check it out as well. You guys, check out my son. Noah, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you pretending to be a reindeer? Oh my goodness. I know. Noah, get up. Were you a reindeer for like 5 seconds?
20.
For 20. My goodness. Here we go. It's time to board the train. Are you guys ready? Yeah? We bought some cookies. They smelled so good. We just had to buy them. So this is a train. We bought the first class tickets. We're gonna board this train. I mean this cart, the Yuma cart.
Bien contentos, Carla. ¿Qué, mi
My
amor? ¿Estás
husband's
vloggando
vlogging
también tú?
too. Because we do some vlogs in Spanish.
Se llaman Los Ramiorosco.
Los Ramiorosco.
Pero vea, aquí está el tren.
Come on, Noah, there's a line. All right, guys, we boarded our train. Camila, what do you think? You like it?
I haven't been in like a train.
I know, this one's so comfortable. Like I said, we bought the first class, but my husband already peeked at the other cart. He said it's not that bad either. I think it's just like a $10 difference. It's your decision, whatever you guys want to do. But look at, check out the train.
Oh yeah, my life.
Look at my son and my husband. Like seriously, guys, this is not our living room. This is the train.
Okay.
They don't know how to behave sometimes. Are the cookies good? We bought some cookies. They
They're
smell
soft and
delicious.
chewy,
Yeah.
and the chocolate's melted.
So who's ready to see Santa?
Me.
We're all ready. Super excited, guys.
I'm super ready.
Ready to
That's
go
why
to
I
the
have
North
two
Pole.
hands.
What?
I'm super ready. That's why I have 2 hands up.
2 hands up. But I'm gonna ask you something. Have you been nice this year or have you been naughty?
I'm a little naughty, but most
Yes, a little naughty. What about Noah? Noah?
I'm not.
¿Te
I'm not.
portaste bien?
What about you? What about you? Huh? I'm talking to you.
Very good, very good.
I don't know about that.
I'm talking to you.
What, Noah?
I'm talking to the viewers.
What? Oh, you're asking them if they've been nice?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, our viewers are always nice, right guys?
Uh-huh. Feliz Navidad. Feliz. No, I.
That's the wrong part.
Wrong part.
That's the wrong part.
Wrong part.
Everybody's waving back to us. Say bye. Bye.
Oh, she's pretty. Like happy water.
Yeah, the princess. Look at how pretty. The village looks so different when the lights are turned on, right? But we have started moving. The train is moving. Woo.
All right, you're with me then. Tom, we're coming up to the tunnel. Oh, we're going through it right now. Woo!
So we're going outside. So we have access to the outside part as well. Look at how pretty. Wow. This is beautiful, right?
Yeah.
So pretty. You guys like it?
Uh-huh.
Se ve bonito. Wow. So in this train, you can be in the inside of the cart, or you can come outside where there's another cart. Which would you like better, Mama? Inside or outside?
Outside.
The outside. It's so pretty. We still haven't arrived to the North Pole. We are on our way. We're still not there. I thought I had seen a couple lights, but no. We're on our way to the North Pole. We should be there shortly. But I love the option that they give you that you can come out here. You can see how pretty it is. Camila and Noah are talking to one of the elves that hopped on the train.
A bunch of elves hopped on the train, and I was one of them.
And her name is Sprinkles, right?
Yes,
Sprinkles. Look at her outfit. Isn't that so cute? Look at those shoes.
You guys, the only way that
And we are arriving to the North Pole. You guys see that?
Oh my god.
It says, welcome to the North
guys want me
Pole.
to show you right
That's awesome. We arrived to the North Pole. Woo! Wow, check it out, guys. It is so pretty.
They're just sitting there waiting for
Look
us.
at Rudolph's barn. There's an elf right there. Reindeer flight school. That is
That's
so
how I learned to get my
cool.
rosy cheeks with that reindeer
Oh,
flight.
really?
Yes. Because we
Polar
have no idea what
Post
makeup
Office.
is. I don't even know. No, people talk about it.
Mrs. Claus's Bakery. Wow, I'm gonna have to check that out. You guys know me.
Yeah.
I love to bake and make cookies.
Dígale bye, dígale
And there's Santa and Mrs. Claus.
bye. Ahí está Santa Claus.
Look at the kids. They're so excited. They're waving. Say bye, Santa. Bye. Bye. Santa's workshop. Wow, so pretty.
Touch his nose.
Camila, are you guys enjoying it? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's go inside. We're gonna go see if Santa's gonna board the train in a little bit. We just passed the North Pole. We're in the North Pole, guys. Can you guys believe it? Yeah? All right, let's go back to our seats.
Pásenle.
Cold out here. Sí, gracias.
Si quieren, tenemos like hot chocolate and stuff like that too.
Happy New Year. With reindeer, my king. Good tidings for
Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I love to dance.
Noah, you love to dance too, right? Yeah.
He was my dance partner.
Oh my gosh, Santa just boarded our train. Woo! Noah, you see Santa? Yeah, Camila. You excited?
Yeah.
Are you gonna ask him for point shoes? Yeah? We believed so hard that we made Santa appear. Look at that. Wow, there's presents? Oh my goodness. Let's see what presents they have for us.
You guys, my
Let's
best
see.
friend is here. You guys are reindeer birders.
The big man's here. What do they have for us?
It feels squishy.
Let me see.
Man, I wonder what they are.
Reindeer boogers. Oh my god.
Wow.
Mocos de reno.
Y ahí está Santa.
Look at Santa.
Sorry, the reindeer were on the track, but sometimes they like to eat the grass on the track.
Santa, guys.
Oh my gosh, look at all these people. Yes, of course.
Are you guys going to take a picture with Santa? They're candy. Wow. Noah couldn't resist and he had to open them. You guys want a quick picture with Santa?
Yeah.
Okay. Well guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you haven't, please subscribe, hit that bell button so you guys get notified as soon as I put up another video, and leave me comments if you guys would like to see more videos like this. And also don't forget to give me a like, that big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!